a little bad, hit her with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab, don't know how to act, yeah. How you like that? How you like that? She a little bad, it's a little, yeah.
Hey loves, welcome back to the channel. Here's a picture of everything you'll need for today's tutorial on how I maintain my eyebrows. Very inexpensive and how you can do it too. We gotta save them coins, sis. So first thing I do is I brush through my eyebrows with a spoolie just to see what I'm working with and what hairs need to be removed and what hairs need to stay. So once I've brushed through my eyebrows, I go ahead and start plucking. I usually hold my forehead taut, which gives me a better grip on getting the little hairs under my eyebrows. If you're new to my channel, hey love, I'm so glad that you're here. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss another video from me. Now I'm just going to take my spoolie and brush my eyebrows down. This will give me a better vision of the shape of the top of my eyebrows and where to pluck. Now I'm just going to go in with my eyebrow razor and clean up the edges of the brow, get all the hairs that I wasn't able to reach with the tweezers. So once I finish shaving my brows and brushing them once with the spoolie, I then go ahead with my eyebrow clippers and snip the top of the brows just for all the long extra hairs that are hanging off so that the brows can look as neat as possible. So once I've finished grooming my brows, I then go ahead with my brow pencil and outline the shape that I want my brows to be in. So now that we're finished with outlining, we're going to go ahead and mix our hair dye. So we're using the Just for Men beard dye, ladies, not hair dye, the beard dye. Trust me, this will last you forever. So I'm going ahead and put a dot of the developer with a dot of the color and just mix that all together. So now I'm just going to use a small angle brush to fill in my brows using the dye. When filling in your brows, just ensure that the end of the brow is a bit darker than the front so it can naturally fade into the color. So once we're finished, we're just going to let the dye sit for about 10 to 12 minutes before we clean it off.
Much later.
Now once the time is up, I'm just going in with a baby wipe and just wiping that over my brows to clean them up. And then I'm going to go in with a cotton round with some alcohol to further cleanse my brows. Now once I'm finished, I'm just going to brush through my brows and fill in my brows as usual. So once I've finished filling in my brows and concealing them, I go in with my spoolie with my Eco Styler gel on there to set my brows to ensure that they last all day. If you don't have Eco Styler, you can use whatever gel of your choice. So guys, always remember to set your concealer with a powder like what you see me doing right here and blend that in. So here is the finished product. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye.